I noticed some really old code inside character control. If I scroll down, we have something called get body part. And one by one, I'm going to move things out of the character control. This function, I'm going to move into the ragdoll subcomponent. So cut it, put it in here. It doesn't need to be public. We get body parts from the ragdoll data. Now this is a function that takes in the body part name and returns the collider. I'm going to go to the ragdoll data. So we're going to have a delegation where we return a collider. Get collider. After putting in the body part name, get body. So we're going to save the function here back in the subcomponent. Get body is get body part. If I save everything, we should have some error messages. Okay, we just go through the ragdoll data and get the body part that we want. Now, this player spawn is some very old code used in some very old scene. I'm gonna look for all of the scenes. I think it's used in character select in the next scene that comes after it. So if I test this, okay, we're getting an error message. We have a wrong scene name. Okay, we should be switching to this scene. Let me put in the string or the enum. Save and change the scene name. Now we should be able to make the scene transition. Let me go back to the character select scene, play, select my character, press enter. Looks like we have some more errors. Overlap checker, line 21. Control T, overlap checker, line 21. For something like this that happens in the update, it might be difficult to find the exact point where we get the error. So we try to run this code and then catch whatever errors that might come out of it. Press F9 here, set up a debug point. Now if I play again, okay, we have an error here. Looks like all of the dictionaries are empty and we're trying to get data before they're there. So if I look closer to the data set, okay, instead of just trying to return a data from the dictionary, first we want to make sure that the index is there. If it is there, we return that data. If it's not there, then we just return some default value. Same thing with the float. If the key is there, return the data from the key. If not, just return the default. Same here. Check if we have it in the dictionary. If not, I'll just return vector 0 here. Now if I play again. The error from the dictionary should be gone. I'll pick yellow this time. Enter. Looks like we have a new error. Player spawn, line 42. Let me press F9 here again, set up a breakpoint, and play. Okay, ragdoll data is there, but the body parts are not. We're probably trying to get the body part before they've been added to the list. That is because we're trying to do it immediately after we instantiate. We have to wait 1 frame for the ragdoll data to be initialized. So let me change this part. And add a little line here. We wait 1 frame and then try to get the body part. And let me try playing again. Okay, looks like it's working this time. Let me try again on a bigger screen with a different character. Yellow this time. And it should be the same. I also noticed some really old scenes. Scenes like a separate ledge grab scene we probably don't need anymore. Okay, we don't need the testing scene or a separate pathfinding scene. The character change scene is a little weird because these are not variants. They probably don't work anymore. I would have to set these characters up again. For now, let me just delete these scenes. So character change, separate hammer, ledge grab. These are all old scenes that we don't need anymore. Delete them. Let me also go into the scenes folder. We don't need these either. Just get rid of it. The latest scene should still be fine. Okay. So most of the scenes are still working fine, and I'll organize more in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.